following areas in Connecticut, southern Fairfield, southern New Haven, southern Middlesex and southern New London, and the following areas in New York, southern Westchester, Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, northwest Suffolk, southwest Suffolk, northern Queens, northern Nassau, southern Queens, southern Nassau, northeast Suffolk and southeast Suffolk. Fire weather watch in effect from Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday evening for low relative humidity and gusty northwest winds for the entire tri-state area. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a fire weather watch for the entire tri-state area, which is in effect from Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday evening. Affected area, Long Island, New York City, and coastal Connecticut. Winds, northwest 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Relative humidity has lost 23%. Timing. The strongest winds and lowest relative humidity levels are expected during the afternoon on Tuesday. Impacts. Increased fire spread if ignition occurs. A fire weather watch means that critical fire weather conditions are forecast to occur. Listen for further updates regarding this potential. For the following areas in New Jersey, Sussex, Warren, Morris, Hunter and Somerset, Middlesex, Western Monmouth and Eastern Monmouth. Fire weather watch in effect from Tuesday morning through Tuesday evening. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a fire weather watch, which is in effect from Tuesday morning through Tuesday evening. Winds, northwest 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Relative humidity has lost 20% from late morning through the afternoon. Impacts. The fire danger remains elevated due to the expected gusty winds and the continuation of the rather dry conditions. As a result, the potential exists for rapid spread if uncontrolled fires develop or even for prescribed burns to get out of control. Outdoor burning is not recommended. For the following areas in New Jersey, Western Passaic, Eastern Passaic, Hudson, Western Bergen, Eastern Bergen, Western Essex, Eastern Essex, Western Union and Eastern Union, and the following areas in New York, Orange, Putnam, Rockland and Northern Westchester, and the following areas in Connecticut, Northern Fairfield, Northern New Haven, Northern Middlesex and Northern New London. Red flag warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. this evening for low relative humidity levels and increasing gusty winds for portions of the tri-state area. Fire weather watch in effect from Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday evening for low relative humidity levels and gusty winds for the entire tri-state area. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a fire weather watch for the entire tri-state area, which is in effect from Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday evening. Affected area, northeast New Jersey, the lower Hudson Valley and interior southern Connecticut. Winds this evening, west 5 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. On Tuesday, gusty northwest flow with gusts up to 25 miles per hour possible. Relative humidity around 30% this evening. On Tuesday, humidity levels will range from 20 to 30%. Timing. The peak winds and lowest relative humidity values are forecast this afternoon. On Tuesday, the strongest winds and lowest relative humidity levels are expected during the afternoon hours. Impacts. Increased fire spread if ignition occurs. A red flag warning means that critical fire weather conditions are expected or occurring. A combination of strong winds, low relative humidity, and dry fuels will create a significantly elevated fire growth potential. A fire weather watch means that critical fire weather conditions are forecast to occur. Listen for further updates regarding this potential.